Good afternoon, Maria Sheila.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Maria Sheila Halandoni, 26 years of age. I'm single, but I have a son, aged 1 year and 4 months. I finished my college, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Who looked at when you gave birth, who took care of your son
Me, ma'am.
when he was newborn?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
do you take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of a newborn baby?
I change her diaper, feed him, and then get her temperature. That's all.
What do you do when the baby is crying?
I feed him, then check his diaper if he's wet, and then check his temperature.
What about elderly persons? Do you have any experience?
No, ma'am.
In your domestic helper experience, how many members did you serve?
Two.
Two. How many adults?
Two, ma'am.
How old are they?
36 and 37.
Are they still healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
No children?
No, ma'am.
So what is your main duty in your employer's house?
My main duty is cook food for them and then clean the house, wash the laundry, then ironing.
Do you know how to do laundry by hand?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be your first time to work abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you going to cope up with your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am. I can by making myself busy and then pray to God.
What if one member of your family in the Philippines told you and then have an emergency in the Philippines?
I ask permission to my employer if I can use the phone and then call my family in the Philippines.
Can you promise not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
What if they cannot provide you a Sunday off, so you're going to attend Mass on weekdays? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
No.
Allergic to any kind of food, drugs, or detergent?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, Maria Sheila?
To my future employer, I promise to be trustworthy, loyal, and be responsible. And then I promise to be patient and follow the rules and regulations set by my employers. And then I promise not to break my contract in 2 years.
That's all, Sheila. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you.